time, it's an enormous privilege and honor for me introducing colleague and friend, Professor Francesco Paolo Sisto, Deputy Minister in the Italian government. Francesco, the floor is yours.
Good morning, everyone attending the conference from the all corners of Europe. Sorry for not being present due institutional engagements. I wish to thank the rector, my friend Professor Francesco Cupertino, and the organizer of the conference on higher education on industrial engineering and management for inviting me, since the theme of the conference is very close to my academic, political, and professional interests. I highly appreciate that such an event has been organized by the Polytechnic University of Bari, where, since over 30 years, I had the opportunity to teach the course of work safety and health offered within the Management Engineering Master Program. The inspiring principle I follow in my teaching class is to provide master students with fundamentals on Italian and European law and regulation, which great part have in the professional life of industrial engineers and managers throughout Europe. In the years, I found students really motivated to learn, first, how work technical situations involving safety and health of workers have to be interpreted from the framework of laws, and second, which is the body of responsibilities of employees and employers in the light of national and European laws and directives. It's a matter of real working life that always will accompany industrial engineers in their working life. Looking at the future, I am proud to announce that the Italian government decided to invest in higher education in industrial engineering and management by assigning significant economic resources to the birth and the operation of European Graduate School of Industrial Engineering and Management, an academic European institution to be located by the Polytechnic University of Bari, that will operate in close cooperation with Italian, European universities and companies. The idea of the school was promoted some years ago during a European conference on higher education in industrial engineering and management held in Bari on May 2017, with the President of the European Parliament, Antonio Tajani. In the years, the project, great attention thanks to the foresight and political willingness of the Italian government. The political commitment followed the proposal of the school launched by the Polytechnic University of Bari and by the European Academy for Industrial Management, one of the most important academic associations of university professors in Europe. I guess and hope the school will be formalized in the next months and will start at the educational activities by the end of this year. The location of the school at the Polytechnic University of Bari in the south of Europe is pregnant of symbolic and concrete meanings, as the school will represent a higher education gate towards the Europe of knowledge, also looking at the countries of the Mediterranean area. The European Graduate School is conceived to have a continuous attention to reality. Non scole sed vitae discimus, the motto attributed to the philosopher Seneca, my favorite ancient author, will synthesize the intimate nature of the graduate school that aims to transfer knowledge useful to new and past generation of industrial engineers and managers in tackling challenges of real working life. Thank you for your attention and good work.
Thank you very much, Professor Sisto. It's a big honor, and I want to stress out that the speech of Professor Sisto comes after the announcement of our rector in the welcome of this conference. So now, alia acta est, I will say, following the input of Professor Sisto, quoting Seneca. And now I think that we have a challenge, a big challenge in our next weeks and months. And it is, let me say, an honor for me now that I think that this new track is starting together with you all, and of course with Professor Francesco Paolo Sisto. Francesco, thank you very much for your engagement.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.